What's up guys, this is Saul. I'm here today to be able to do a simple DIY. One of the downfalls from the Macan that I feel is that because this vehicle is smaller, they try to save space in any way, shape or form. And one of the downfalls from this car is that it does not have anywhere to put your sunglasses. Most people end up putting them right there on your center console. Some people end up trying to figure out why is there a place here, like in most Porsches. Or some people put them underneath your chair. There's a little cubby hole that, in case you didn't know, there's a hidden compartment in there. But they get scratched. So I was able to do some research and I got something in the mail today. This is essentially a Volvo part that fits in our cars perfectly. So what I'm going to be doing is the install on this to show you how to put a sunglass holder in your Macan. So we're going to go over that DIY today. So this is what I got in the mail today. It is that's the Volvo part that you're going to be using, and I'm going to be showing you how to install it today. This is what we get in the box, and essentially is sunglass holder that goes right there. I don't know if you can see it. So it's going to go in place with this right here, and it's going to open like that. This comes with the tools that you need, so you probably don't need to buy anything else. Pretty self-explanatory. Okay, so I was trying to figure out a way to be able to take this cover off, and I used a bunch of tools and I couldn't get to it because of the angle. I did the whole penny trick. So essentially I just put the penny there, popped it out, voila, problem solved. This is the actual screw that goes into the socket, and this is the actual tool you're going to need. It's about 1/8 of size, but it's got about 6 different prongs, so make sure you use the correct one so you don't strip it down. Once you take it off, this literally just springs out, and then you proceed to the second one. As you can see, the dimensions are just about the same ones. So once you fit it in there, you should be able to screw them. As you see, the dimensions are just about the same, so you should be able to screw them right back in. Simple 5-minute DIY. Once you have it screwed in place, it is as simple as done. Ta-da! And this is the final result. Glasses are in, it's all screwed in, closes back in, and you're done. Sunglass compartment. This is what it was. Actually, this is the final result. You open it, there's your glasses, there's your clean install, and it fits perfectly. I figured I'd help you guys out with that quick 2-minute DIY. It didn't take that long. It is something simple and very, very useful. You're gonna be able to have a space for your sunglasses now, and you won't scratch them. It has a nice foam base that will protect them. So there you go. No more scratch sunglasses.